Hi, welcome to the SimpleK video on how to install Microsoft SQL Express Server 2008 R2. Before we begin and before we download any files, we should know if we will need a 32 bits or a 64 bits install package. To verify that information, you can just go in the Start menu, then in the Control panel, click on System and Security, then click on System, and verify the system type. Then we can download the proper install files from SimpleK's website or Microsoft's website. To start the install process, you simply double-click on the install file. This install file contains the SQL Express server, but it also contains other tools like the Management Studio Express. As you may see also, I downloaded these files on the C drive in the SimpleK demo download folder. Now this extracting file process may take some time, so I will just skip here to the next part. We can click yes on that warning. Once the file extraction process is completed, we can launch the install process by clicking New Installation or Add Features. And here, if you have some time, you may want to read the end user license agreement. And then you may click I accept the license terms. Okay, and we'll continue the install process. In the feature selection, we will leave the selected features as we may need them, especially the management tools. We could also select another install directory. In this example, we'll leave the default directory and click Next. At this point, we can set the name of our SQL Express server instance and change also its root directory. In our example, we'll leave the default values. On the authentication mode, we will select Mixed Mode and we'll set a password for our SA user, which is our administrator account. Make sure to write down this password or remember it, and then click Next. Okay, then error reporting. You may want to send error message to Microsoft. Otherwise, just click Next. Okay, and now our SQL Express Server 2008 R2 is installed correctly. Now as our server is installed, we'll just start the Configuration Manager from the Start menu, All Programs. We open SQL, then we will click on the SQL Server Configuration Manager. Okay, we'll click yes on that. Then we will just verify the services and we will turn on the SQL Server browser. First we'll look in the properties and put the service start mode to automatic. We could have done that during the install process, but still that's a good thing to go in a configuration manager and make sure everything is installed and everything is running properly. We can also enable the network configuration and network protocols like the name pipes. We right click, enable, click OK. TCP/IP. You can have a look at the different properties in the IP addresses settings if you want to change some port configuration or dynamic ports. Otherwise, we can just click OK, and then right click, enable that. And to take effect, we need to restart our server. So we right click on the server and do a restart. So that concludes our video on how to install the Microsoft SQL Express Server 2008 R2. The next video will show you how you can transfer a file type database, SimpleK database, to your Microsoft SQL Server. So we hope that video has been helpful to you, and please look on our website for the next video. Thank you very much.